Karcher is the world's largest manufacturer of cleaning solutions. Our range of products is very wide. It ranges from pressure washers, dry ice blasters, floor scrubber dryers, vacuum cleaners. Whether it's a small upright vacuum cleaner to a large sweeper scrubber, we have everything to offer a customer. I think what differentiates Karcher from our competition is that since we are a family-owned business, we're not focused on the bottom line every 90 days. We have over 1,000 R&D people constantly researching new products and innovating new solutions. So we're always coming to the market with new products for our dealers and our customers. I think the values of Arnold and Karcher blend together because we're both family-owned businesses and we both put the customer in front of everything that we do. What is important to Arnold with their silver service guarantee aligns with Karcher's customer-centric approach to the market. We both are trying to solve problems for the customer, not just sell product, and I think that carries itself in the marketplace. The expense that Arnold has put into this experience center is indicative of their desire to be a state-of-the-art, world-class operation for their customers and to provide an opportunity for their customers to visit in one location and see all of the services and products that they provide. The reason why any customer should visit the Arnold Machinery Experience Center is the opportunity to view a wide range of solutions for a warehouse, ranging from robotics to material handling applications to sweeper scrubber applications and all the allied products that go with it. It's unique in its ability to visit all of these solutions that they cannot replicate in their own location. And I invite all of you to come down to the Arnold Experience Center to see these Karcher cleaning solutions.